Updating a kitchen does not have to be complicated or expensive. Hello, I'm Rosalia Pereira. Welcome to the Detalles. Today I am going to demonstrate a fast wet distress painting technique, and I'm going to be doing this in two-tone colors. I'm going to be using black and I'm going to be using white. Painting cabinets is a fast and inexpensive way to revitalize a dated kitchen. Two-tone kitchens have great visual impact. Top and bottom cabinets painted in two different colors have become very popular. We recommend using two neutral colors for a serene look. For this kitchen we chose black and white. The wet distressed painting technique shown in the video disguises the wood grain of oak cabinets. The upper cabinets were treated with the same technique using white paint. The rustic cabinets, exposed brick and stainless steel appliances create an eclectic, timeless combination. We chose the black paint for the bottom cabinets to minimize dirt and imperfections of the wood. Using paint and combining different styles gives this kitchen a custom designer look. I'm gonna start by cleaning the cabinets with a really soft sponge, and it's a soapy water that I'm using, and I'm trying just to get all the grime out of the wood. This sanding block is already used, it's not really harsh, and I'm just gonna start by sanding a little. And again, what you're trying to do is trying to get the finish, so the paint that we're going to apply on the wood is going to adhere, or it's going to have a grip. After you sand, you can either use a duster to get all the dust out, or you can use a dry rag to get all of it. I'm gonna apply the paint, and I'm not looking to fill every space of the door. I'm not looking for perfection. Now I'm going to be using a brush that is diagonal. In that way I can get a space into the corners. Again, here I'm not looking for perfection. Like in these areas it looks lighter, and in other areas looks darker. So I'm just gonna try to go with the grain in only one direction for now. Okay, now while the paint is still wet, I'm going to be distressing the wood. I'm not waiting for it to dry. So I'm just gonna use a potting knife, and I'm gonna be able to use the corners. I'm just gonna start cleaning the paint, and you need a rag to be able to clean the excess paint. And then you're just gonna go around on all the places that you wanna see where the paint has worn out, and you're gonna be doing that where you think of you wanna get rid of some paint. And in some places I just wanted to just try to get the potting knife flat, and I'm just gonna try to move it down like that and just lift it slowly so you can have a line there. I'm gonna keep going in all places. Normally when you're gonna have the knob, you can see that it has more wear and tear, so you locate the place where the knot is, and then you can do the same, and in some other places too, and keep removing the paint until you're happy. And notice that on the corners I'm trying to get my potting knife almost flat, not this way but flat, so I can remove the paint. Now after you let this dry, I would let it dry for about 24 hours, and then you can decide if you wanna remove more paint, and you can do that with a little bit of sanding. But the main job is gonna be done if you do it while it's wet. It's so much easier, you don't have to fight. So for now I'm just happy and how it looks. I'm gonna let it dry for 24 hours, and then you're going to be applying 2 coats of a latex finish. So I'm just gonna move this so you can see the variations.